Good evening. This is Ken Long from Tortoise Capital, April 16th, 2011. And I'm looking at charts of interest, and I'm using Snagit here just to do a rapid visual framing. And so what I have here is a file that has my standard framing techniques on it, and so I'm going to copy those and then go to my candle glance chart, paste that in, and then just rapidly size it based on Friday's price action. So this is Caterpillar. I like the pullback. I like the doji. It has a very tight stop. Price is right between the 50 and the 200. That looks very favorable to me. You can see I've already done Alcoa, which I absolutely love. Nice harsh pullback. Found support 4 days in a row above 16, and I like its posture. Bank of America, same kind of thing. Nice pullback. Boeing. Nice pullback. Doji with a higher close on Friday. That's very favorable. So let's take a quick look at Cisco. Cisco's been disappointing on the follow-through, and finding support, however, around 17. It's made decent moves before. Finding support around 17, so if it can hold there again, that's not too bad. Chevron looks very favorable as well. The energy sector has made a pretty nice move in this recovery the last couple of days. Chevron, one of the leading contenders in that space. So I like the support around 102.5. Try to keep that out of Alcoa. DBA, I was finding support around 33.5, as we can see. That's not shabby. So we'd be looking for a breakout above 34 as a very favorable sign. None of the selling that we've seen so far from Friday looks painful. DBC, the blended commodities. And that's got price above the 50, which is above the 200. That's going to be very favorable. It's finding support around 30. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. And you can see just by quick inspection, this little technique lets us do some quick framing. All of these dojis allow us to use our favored technique of engineering favorable reward to risk. Looking down at EPP, that's one of the strongest in the ETF2 model, and that's looking pretty good. Find support above 49. Prices above the 50, above the 200, and as you can see, the 50 just recently crossed the 200 on this long, powerful move out of the sell-off after Japan had its troubles. Brazil, a nice measured pullback. It's been stronger than ILF. You can see it's come back and found support, hang out right around the 50-day moving average. And support around 76 and a retest of 80. would not be unusual. So there's our 2-to-1. Let me go back and find some price targets very quickly. And I like DBA here there as a secondary price target. I like this picture over here at 35. In DBC, we're testing 32. In EFA, doesn't take much of a breakout. I would say north of 61, and then it's off to the races. Cisco down here around 18.25, and that's the 200-day moving average. Caterpillar's up around 113, 114. That's been a really strong stock. And Boeing around 76. Alcoa at about 18.5. I really like this pattern here in Alcoa. So you can see that's just a rapid technique. I'll leave Hewlett Packard for you, and ILF is really easy to see. Our favored patterns has found support at 52, and 50-day moving average in at 53. Finish with a nice tight doji. If it breaks north of that doji, you can see how it retests out here to 55 is going to be very easy to see. So that's Ken Long from Tortoise Capital with some rapid visual framing for the trading week ahead.